Except for the lose tonight, nothing wrong with that. You know why? Because all of the people, when they have shut off them out on the internet some way, the one of them jump out from early. See? That's what we think there. But camouflage, me I play first. That simply means that when we play first, it's easy for you to counteract it and get a forward. But I'm gonna beat your blood clot and take you to school. All those some of you take camouflage to blood clot school. Put up your two on the ear. Got this our son when blood clot that it is the three of us. If me lose the dance, yeah. How am I talking? If I'm not mistaken, I'm winning all rounds, aren't I? Am I lying? Am I winning one round? Put your hand here. Am I winning 2 rounds? Put your hand here. Am I winning 3 rounds? Put your hand in here. So much round winning. All of them. Okay. I like it. Ready? I say yeah. I say yeah, I'm winning this dance. Right. Play the song. Yes, I sheltered we from a sound wall. Yes, I listen. You're gonna beat and teach Hey, this is Ken Boo. Yes, Boogie. Sketch all tight. Get this. Yes, I listen. It's the number one. I'm with it tonight. When we kill a sound, we get them for So today, who win the round there? Is it based on the set? Alright, some people, alright, slow down. Some people kind of now move with the thing. So now, you put up your hand for your song. Alright? Simple. But say, who will lead the round that based on the shit? Or is it camouflage? You know what me say? You know what me say, Malala? I just say, more hands for bass Odyssey. Listen to me. Listen to me. May I tell you what me say when we look from left to right, front to back. May I tell you what I say. So what I say? Do it again? I mean no. So what, you're tired? You can't put up your one more time and that's what you're telling me? If you are representing for your song, do it again. So here we go, hold on, because we don't want to mix up in the morning. Light man, instead of blinding me with all of the light them, turn the light them on in the room. So if you want to turn around the light them, turn around the light them in the room so the people them can see what me I see. Mr. Lightman, we need some more light in the room. Okay. Them can't turn? Alright. So hold on.
We are going to do it one more time, you know, but hear me, I'm going to say to you. We're face there, face. Promoter, come, talk to me. Listen to me. No, we move on. Is that the most light we can get in a room? We can't get no more light than that. Come on, know when you run on the people that you turn on, hold it more light. Turn on the light. So everybody can see. So it's not a bias thing. I'm going to tell you already, I'm not taking no bother from nobody. Okay. So I'm going to get a little more light now, right? Cameraman, you can see the entire room, right? Never ask you one more time. LaRousse. The first tune for tune. Is it Pierce Addison win? Cameraman, catch the whole room. Keep it all up there. Okay, take down the hand now. Or is it camouflage? Yeah, look. Easy, not easy. Cameraman! I hope you document it now. Just make sure say it's on camera. When we look around the room from left to right, front to back, I said what I said before. Pierce Addison. Pierce Addison 1. Camouflage 0. And we can go on move. Next show.
New York. Let me play one song now. See that song here? That song here are for the people who reached Pierce Addison in 1989. And the first time as an MC, he said when we doing a trophy in New York, he said on the way to Alexandria, me and Papa stay down. Because they have to put the blood clot trophy up on the general grave. God, come in here! Respect to the song. God, come in here! I say it's the best thing to say. And it's a oh me, oh my, we are based on this play all the while in Florida. Me not have no garnet. Me not have no Debo. Rookie move that, don't it? Everybody knows, say, we love based on this garnet, right? Yeah? Boom? Yeah, know that, boom. Me love based on this garnet, then. Me not have none. I mean, I don't tell them so me not have none. I don't have no garnet and I don't have no Debo. The song is an upcoming song. But I want to get a blood clot telling inside here. Play the song. You can't kill me in Ghana tonight. Interfere me now. No. Some boy, I can't. Me not no Ghana. You're doing you're doing that to pussy on this after listen. He was here from 1989 in my play that told you. Hear me? Fuck you and your own princess. Well. So for that one, sir. Who in the room there? Pierce Addison? Always camouflage. Score 2-0. Pierce Addison. Push, you does this to me. I talk about something, mother. Everyone, me and my mother are the best friend in the world. I guarantee you, you never send not even 50 more buckle and dollar back Jamaica to your mother. clot Jamaica to one here. Pussy, find a Western Union and suck out your daughter Muma.
Let the Lord someone don't get back no more. Put your hand come back. So this for this.
In the world. Hey, that don't make it. You have one move. You have to flap your blood clot self down. If you have more sense in a good blood clot school, you come from you. Or if you have put for general grave, you have carry the blood clot trophy by Florida with me. Play me song. Yes, or is it camouflage? Point, camouflage. Score is now 2-1. Let's all say.
Camouflage, I don't reach a 1-4. And then somebody up here in New York. All you go to New York for a long time. Me a talk one time. For Billboard, there's 200 years to see a like so. John!
Someone stop me and hide and see. One come to the field.
You fuck fire. You fuck no pussy one. You fuck fire. This is your blood clot weapon. X-ray. Play this song. Yeah. Play it. Bomba class. Flapping. This is bad. Yeah. Bounce with it. Blood clot. Me a come a country from kill a pussy clot to kill. Play this song. Play this song. Don't touch it. This is blood clot, them say the way about blood clot there, so this is never life. Tell them.
Let me explain to you now. I'm a fucking feeling.
Shut up and I'll tell a lie. I like it. So what am I saying? Who win the one then? Based on the shit? Or is it camouflage? Point camouflage. The score is now 2-2.
New York! 2-2, right? 1-1. And me a play first. When we play the song here, all who are going dance along to put the record on the ear like so. Let me drop us on your boss of the blood clot. Trust me.
First of all,
You are out.
and I
Go on here.
let them be a talking.
You are out.
Oh Lord,
You are this and this and that. You are out.
let them talk.
Talk about pussy. Talk about never keep out your blood clot teeth in my body. There's no blood clot, bad man. I'm telling you, I'm not frightened for garnets. I don't frightened for blood clot garnet, leather. Yeah. I'm gonna let you blood clot, son. Don't blood clot here. When you don't touch fucking son, I want to help you. Tell him. Tell him his son. Tell him his son. Ready?
You got you fry.
Get pussy. I want to do that.
Point camouflage. There's something.
It's your part of dance, yeah. Should I never answer me? It's all good for them. But camouflage. Big up yourself. Reach out to the truth. Manners and respect. We have bad song. Like the blood clot round them on the play. Because the song them on the platform tonight never make it a 1-1. See? So even in New York, all of the people that rate themselves, they put them a tone in the election. Let me stop for the bass to pass right now. Hey, come on, friend. Let me tell you what blood clots up this morning.
Jesus Christ. Swings are rolling and groove, I know. The big bad bass and is going to play that tune in that tune for you. Yeah. They never do that in Ali's one here. It's a thing where they practice. Bomba class. Hey! What is the score? The score, camouflage 3, based on the same tune. On the one, the man of the SNDC, everybody in here!
Mr. Vibes.
Bomba class.
Scarface.
Get properly! 10 years of music!
Not every day, you can taste some flowers.
Jano! So let me find out what I want now. Listen, hold on. People, it is simple. I honor the judge. If a song play like a song, that is up to you to decide. Who win the round then? Based on the shit? Or is it camouflage? People, point-based odyssey. It is now 3-3. Based odyssey.
New York! We are going to love blood clot talking that true to true. Stop and big up yourself. One rocking song. And the rascal song you play that true to true. Squeeze!
I think the two songs you're arguing, and I'm saying any song on the first must make it so glad about servant. See them not go around. Something like that. I'm inside this song. I'm not coming
Big up to the school. One day to baby. Why? Now when you puzzle me. All the people that know say if you play back a tune in a tune for tune, you're done the blood clot. Alright. What the fuck am I? Hello? What? Nobody know what? Jesus Christ. Hello, these are tunes that Jamie plays all the time in first round. And he did play that in first round. Am I lying? Alright. Hello, listen in. I don't want to hear nothing. I want blood clot time again. Play on the shot.
I think by my camouflage, my come space, you know,
Play on the shot.
Mr.
Now with this tonight. Now with this tonight. Somebody have to understand, sir. The score is 3-3. This other decided right here, sir. Sound for them. Who win this round? They saw you see? Or is it camouflage? Listen to him. This is why I love Sound Clash. Because it can go in any direction. Song for Day 2014. Righteous inside the rules. All courtesy of Facebook Glass. I see it as I call it, and I call it as I see it. With a score of 4 chose to 3. The Song for Day 2014 champion out of Long Island, New York City.
Song for Day 2014. Bayside Odyssey, clashing in New York City for the first time in a very long time. Talk to me about what went down tonight. You went to the Tune for Tune with Camouflage. Talk to me about your experiences tonight.
Now, Chin, the thing I beat with since night is we play first, and then you know the thing that go when a song play first, and then the next song answer. It's easier. And I don't know, BSL say they're 24 years. Should I say 25 years? So all of my 1-4 songs them, it's like when the people already here are ready. So you know the thing go. By the time, the only time I say yo, me read the dance was the third song, and then everywhere me going on the box, it was like the people here are ready, and then Camouflage come in something where Camouflage is the underdog, and big them up because at the end of the day, we respect them because Camouflage winning BSL, and there really nothing still. At least we have a young son where we are going to book in the future as a son where kill BSL or win BSL in a son for dead. So you know the thing they go, you know what I mean? So I think I does. Through them I play after it's easier to win a son when you play the first song and then you can easily counteract, you know what I mean, Chin?
So overall, right? And give me a second so I can do an interview with him, please.
Yeah.
Right? Overall, right? What do you think about the dance tonight? I know that everybody's expectations for Bayside is high, right? First round in the shell it. A number of rounds you shelled it, right? No one anticipated that it was gonna come down to a Bayside and Camouflage. Do you feel that you did all that you could do, but you lost based on nostalgia, meaning that because it was a new sound and they wanted to see a new champion, played a large part in the end result?
When they're not Chin, you know New York stay already. The ball always like for Rise champion. See? And that's a New York from day one. You see me I say? Because all of the sound about them push from day one, and the whole of them drop out from day one. Because when we go up on the net, everybody has to be a now I'm going to make it, and them a drop out second, and them a drop out first. But here me I say, no, big up my mixer Lexica. You see Lex is a youth like this way. Me is a boy named DM Dillinger. Don't know everybody has to see me a worm. I see a youth here. I have to give him respect tonight because you see, when deliver, me please, I'm proud, I'm alright. I'm not squingy alright. See me I say, him don't win a win, we'll win. Because in at the same time, you see the future is very good. It's a bill. Because you don't know Dillinger on the turntable every round and room attack. And Dillinger attack tonight. So it's a good look. You get me? And the son when them plan for win, drop out. I'm alright to the big up Camouflage, you know.
Let's talk. Let's say big up. No. And these are the questions that people want to know. Right? So I definitely have to ask you guys. Is the Bayside Odyssey team still as strong as it used to be? Can you reassure your fans that you guys have it? Remember now, There was a loss the other day with Addis. There was a loss tonight. I know you guys are going to be at UK Cup Clash. We know that most people grew up with Bass Odyssey, but now there is talks of there being a look of doubt. I'm sure you guys are hearing it too. People are now doubting the talents of Bass Odyssey. Well, how do you guys feel about that? Because I know I hear it too.
Chin, let me tell you something, Chin. It is very hard. It's very hard for me, Damien, Worm, Kitty Kid, younger youths on the sound to walk in Squingy, Mark, Glamour G, Tinawan's footstep. It's very hard. But we on the sound, all of us, we have been there from those days, building, growing, coming up. It's only the future we are seeing right now. Building ourselves, building the fan base again. Dancehall has changed since 2006 till 2014 right now. It has changed. We're just building the fan base, building our respect, showing people that we still know what the sound is all about. We want to do what the fans expect of us. It's basically a building process. For me tonight, honestly, I'm proud of myself to hear Damien telling me that youth, you mix. Smile me and smile right now. We didn't win, but I won. Honestly, I won. I won in myself. Next clash people, I'm sorry for some boy. I'm mad. I'm charged.
Damien, no, is there pressure because you are the more popular face on Bass Odyssey? You now have inherited the blame. So when Bass Odyssey wins, you get congratulated. When Bass Odyssey lose, you get blamed for losing. Are you feeling pressure nowadays on Bass Odyssey? And is it pressure that you can handle?
Alright, it's a pressure I can handle, but it's a pressure where it's there. Because Tina One and Glamour G set the trend. And Tina One get him first defeat when him there in England for 6 months and come out. But Glamour G and Squinty build a thing named the Juggling Twins. So when him forward, nobody at Jamaica never really work with a Tina One vibes and take it to the next level. So I think tonight we lose, yes we lose, but it's a win for Lexi and a win for Kitty and a win for the rest of younger selectors on the sound. Because Bass Odyssey is Bass Odyssey. And if me did drop out first, no you could have said, boy, Bass Odyssey lose it, but me go and good whole night chin. And it's my first time as an MC on the battlefield. You get what me saying? But I mean, as I said before, camouflage have the edge over we because them are answer to we. Because all of our 1-for-1 song them catching. If we not go cut on 1-for-1 songs, are some songs where everybody expect Bass Odyssey to play. So camouflage has a new sound we never reach a 1-for-1 and bringing some new things to the rare. It a work. You get me I say? So honestly, I lose, I feel away, but I still feel proud. Alexi Lex, the first time on the battlefield, because our Bass Odyssey stay, we build selector over the years. See me I say? And Bass Odyssey has reached a part in the business where people look up to we. See? And we are the only sound, war sound, we can put a young youth like Lexi on the battlefield, and if we even lose, him win. No other sound would have dead and gone. But a man for remember say, Squingy dead 4 years now. See? And a whole pataka go on. Bass Odyssey is not the Bass Odyssey. Chin, I'm not Squingy. I'm not Mark. But if I'm not gonna be greater than Mark or greater than Squingy, all I gotta do for right now is hold the torch and make sure the fans them happy. Until I can put something into play and move to be greater than Squingy. But big man thing, I think Squingy is the Bob Marley. The sound clash. Because up to now, a lot of artists get Grammy. Bob Marley never get a Grammy. But Bob Marley is the biggest thing for reggae music. See? So Squingy will always be the Bob Marley for sound clash. So if I can keep a sound over 25 years where Squingy played Tina One, Glamour G, Lenny, Mark, Skinny, and them man the doing from back in the 90s, I'm proud. Because this is my first time on a battlefield. And Chin, if me go low, tell me. But if me go on good. And this look good for base on this future. I think we can do 25 more years. Panda one rock sound here. The first thing we do when Squinchy dead, I go mass camp. I'm a beat trooper. And after the dance, I bring back bass on this. See? But you know, me there from day one. I learn from Mark and I learn from Squinchy. The talk when I talk, Squinchy I learn from. The mix of Mark I learn from. And people have them things to say about, and them I learn from. I back at the turntable, I hold it for a couple of years. And then Father Keith said, Damien, you know what? He's a good talker because at the end of the night, when the son play Jamaica, you have to go east and Rome go west. So I don't know, I stand up on the battlefield. And at the same time, I want to stop mix in a certain dance and step to the play as a general. Saying, so me have to do that. So that means say, it's good for bass on this way. I'm on a plan for bass on this. You don't know if I Roma step, you don't know if I Dillinger step. I'm the first time on the battlefield in terms of hardcore clash. I think me go on good. I think me deliver. As I say, in the 1-4-1 we are playing first, it's easy for a man, an underdog, play some song where the people are not used to and win. But at the same time, I think the future of bass has to look very good.
Tonight was an outcome that many didn't expect. Now, when I spoke to some of the members of Camouflage earlier this week, they titled themselves of the underdogs and said that anything could happen. And anything did happen tonight. Camouflage defeated Bass Odyssey in a tune for tune, which no one was expecting. Your performance tonight was very hard hitting. A lot of forwards, a lot of big tunes. Got a chance to let a lot of people know what you actually have in your dub box. What does this victory for Sound for Dead mean for Camouflage tonight?
Boy, that victory is a very nice victory because whole heap of big sound today. A Panther, we don't take none from Panther, because we know Panther big selector from long time. Bass Odyssey a big sound. Soul Supreme was a big sound and them a come back on the rise. Don't take Soul Supreme lightly. Camouflage now, we team, we work hard. You see me I say? And we don't take none from no sound. Each sound have to do what them have to do for surviving in this business, because it's a very hard business. You chin yourself know that. Camouflage, we are some humble youth where we work together a whole heap away, around 12 away, and we work together. If one man say, yo, that now gonna make it tonight, we now play it. You see me I say? We ask each individual man, how this sound, how that sound. Look upon this, look upon that, and the whole of we come as a unit and deal with sound clash. You see me I say?
How was the preparation tonight? Because you had a talk for almost every tune, and you knew exactly, it's almost like your performance, you already had the tunes assigned to what sound you were trying to, shoot at the time. Was it spontaneous or was it premeditated where you guys kind of figured out which dub una go fling on which sound boy and so forth?
The thing was, from day one, we know say be a big sound in the thing. So in order for Camouflage win the clash, we have to take on each sound individually and take it to them individually. Because every sound get it tonight. Every sound. We not leave out no sound. Jamie, Bass Odyssey, Soul Supreme, Panther, everybody gets something tonight. You see me I say? So it was a thing where we come out well prepared. Well prepared. When Camouflage come to clash, we're well prepared. That's enough to know.
Will we be seeing more heavyweight clashes from Camouflage now? And where does this win put you?
I want the people them to find out that. You see, Chin, we are some humble youth in a Chin. When I go say, when I go walk a road and say, boy, we kill Bass Odyssey, we kill Panther, and big up our chest the most way. You see me I say? We go say, boy, the dance was a good dance. Every man play to them fairness and Camouflage come out on top.
The most important thing is that the people them see Camouflage potential. Them see the potential of the sound. When we see the potential, the sky is the limit.
Let's talk about tonight's dance, right? Now that you guys are the victor, we can look back on what happened tonight. What was the most surprising sound to you? Meaning that, which sound did you think was going to do a lot better than they did tonight?
Soul Supreme.
Soul Supreme. I was expecting Soul Supreme to do way better than that. Them have all of the tunes, them have the anthems, and they've been vicing. It's not like Soul Supreme hasn't been vicing. Then them draft for Jakes, which you know Jakes is very entertaining. So we really did not expect more from Soul.
Backfire on them though, because I think that probably backfired on them because the people like felt slighted. Because they were just warming up to marijuana. I know them bringing Jakes. So it's just like too much selector to one song.
What do you feel about Young Hawk? The battle was actually in his backyard tonight. He was the first sound eliminated. Any comments on his performance?
Surprising.
Yo, I don't
surprising.
know.
Very surprising.
Don't know what to say about Jamie because in our backyard, Jamie should have gone way better, and we expected him to go on better. So I don't really know what happened with Jamie.
Any song that you expected to flop that did better than you thought?
Not really. Not really. We didn't expect no sound to flop. We expected them to come out fully armed and prepared for clash. So we never underestimate no sound.
Do you think that Panther did exactly as good as you thought he would do, or you thought he was going to do more?
Panther should have done more, and he could have done more.
Panther, right now, it's just smoke and mirrors, and the people start with smoke and the mirrors. Really and truly, they start through tonight. He couldn't hide it, he draw out the tune them as usual, and the people them sit through that and then they say, oh, forget Panther.
Gotta say congratulations on the win. I know that they're trying to throw us out the club, but it was a good look. Hopefully I can have you guys in the studio because the last, you came on Monday, but nobody came with any dub plates. You were just there and we had a vibe. Everybody was listening to you across the world, UK, Canada, US. It would be good for you guys to stop by the studio and let everybody know that, yes, we said that we were the underdogs. We were humble about it and we won. So hopefully I can get you guys in the Soundchat studio.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Respect, man.
It's all over, man. It's early in the morning. We're standing in front of LaRousse Club, which was a battlefield tonight. Dubby, I mean, you have done great jobs at World Clash. So you have the Clash experience. You were doing, you were keeping the peace tonight, as I should say, right? Keeping the peace tonight. It got a little rough.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Because we all know when it comes to Sound Clash, some people don't like the reality that it's time to go home. Right. So it got a little rough. I see that sometimes it was hard to read the crowd. Do you think that you made any bad decisions tonight?
Nah, I'm confident that all my decisions were the right decisions. I mean, some of them were extremely close, but again, like you know, Chin, it's not in my hands. It's what I see though, and I have to read it the way I see it. And if I read it the way I see it, fairly and squarely, not a problem.
Now, there was a call that was made between Soul Supreme and Black Cat where Panther swears up and down that it was a intimidation factor because somebody ran and told you that some threatened you or some situation, and he says no, that you changed the vote based on whatever that person screamed at you. When Panther was eliminated, was it a clean elimination?
It was very close, and it can be said that it was controversial. It was very tight, but people have to remember this. The shape of this room, it has one arm going to the left and one arm.
Very hard to judge.
Very hard to judge.
And the lighting was poor.
Lights was an issue too. But when I look, Chin, from left to right to the far right, front to back, I call it the way I see it. And Chin, come on, nobody can intimidate me.
Now let's talk about the clash. When every time you get called to host a clash or to keep the peace in the clash, and you look at the lineup, you already have your own predictions because we're sound boys. So we look at it and say, boy, this money I gonna win. What's your prediction tonight? What turned out to be the reality of the clash?
No, definitely not. In all honesty, I expected this Odyssey to cruise to a victory tonight.
So you thought it would be like a no competition round?
Not no competition, but I expect them based on what we know the boxer them have. Me expect them to win this dance easy. I was pleasantly surprised by Camouflage. The man them box deep, and I also have to give respect to Jakes. Soul Supreme did better than I expected.
So you kind of had, Soul Supreme was one of those iffy things for you, undecided. What in his backyard, Jamie, who's been clashing and doing a phenomenal job lately. He's been just taking all clashes and getting his forwards. Tonight, surprisingly, in his backyard, no forwards. It was like he had more success abroad than he has in his backyard. Was that surprising for you tonight?
Yeah, that was definitely surprising. And I think Jamie got a little bit too emotional.
because the first round, you know, he had Kevin and they were cruising. But the second round, when Jamie took control and he's playing, selecting, and emceeing, I think he got a little bit too emotional. And, you know, you can never tell which way these things gonna go, you know what I mean?
Are you standing by everything every call that you made tonight?
Definitely, 100%.
Final question, in the tune for tune. At what point did you start to say to yourself, this might go another way? Like, cause there is a point when you're judging tune for tune that you start to say, boy, I was confident that this person I go win, but it coming like anybody I go win now. At what point was that?
All right, well, Bass Odyssey jump out to a 2-tune lead.
Which you expected?
Which I expected. I'm like, okay, normal, everything good. When Camouflage won their first one, I was like, okay, interesting, but Bass Odyssey should be all right. They're good. When it went 2 for 2, I'm seeing the momentum shift, just like in the NBA or the NFL or World Cup football. When you see a team under pressure and you see the momentum shift in a different direction, you can kind of feel a different energy in the room, you know. And I think when it went 2 for 2, that's when
it became anybody's ball game.
Yeah, for real. So we gotta say big ups to Bass Odyssey and Camouflage, and congratulations to Camouflage, because it was a come from behind victory and it was impressive.
Dubmaster Chris, man, he held a piece here tonight at Sound for Dead. It was kind of rough, but he did his thing.